Hello everyone, my name is Manjot and welcome back to my channel. In previous video in this playlist of quadrilateral, we have studied and learned what exactly is a quadrilateral. We already saw there are a few important quadrilateral that are parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square and trapezium. Now today in this video, let's understand and learn what exactly is a parallelogram. So if you observe on screen, I have drawn one four-sided closed figure and we all know that four-sided closed figure is called as quadrilateral. So this is a quadrilateral. So remember that parallelogram is a type of quadrilateral. Very good, superb. Now let's understand this figure a bit more. See, if you observe this quadrilateral A, B, C, D, the opposite sides AB and DC, observe AB and DC very carefully. These opposite sides are parallel to each other, and similarly if you observe AD and BC, these are also the opposite side and they are parallel to each other. So parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which, or you can say it is a plane figure with four sides whose opposite sides are always parallel. So any quadrilateral, any four-sided closed figure whose opposite sides are parallel to each other is called as parallelogram. One is clear with what is a parallelogram. Now let's have one parallelogram one more time, ABCD. Now let's study and understand very important properties of this parallelogram. So for that, let's have one parallelogram and also draw its diagonal AC and BD. So first property of parallelogram says opposite sides are always congruent. We all know, we just now saw that opposite sides are parallel in parallelogram. Also remember, opposite side AB and DC are congruent to each other, and similarly opposite sides AD and BC are congruent to each other. Second property says opposite angles are also congruent. That means angle A, opposite to angle A is angle C. So angle A and angle C are congruent to each other, and similarly angle B and angle D are congruent to each other. Further, it says there is one more very important property, that is adjacent angle are supplementary. Now what do you mean by adjacent angle? See, opposite means सामने वाला and adjacent means बाजू वाला. So if you observe A का सामने वाला is C, so A and C are opposite angle, and A का बाजू वाला is D and B. So you can pick any one pair. So if I pick A and D, these are adjacent angle and they are supplementary. That means their sum is 180. So A plus D will be equal to 180. Similarly, there are four pairs of adjacent angle. We can pick any other pair also. If I pick C, so C ka baju wala is B. So B plus C will be equal to 180. Similarly, if you again pick C, C ka baju wala is also D. So C and D will be come out to be 180 degrees. So that's what the property is. Adjacent angle of parallelogram are supplementary. Further, it says diagonal bisect each other. Now remember this. This is very important. Bisect का मतलब होता है divide into two equal parts. So if you observe AC and BD, these are two diagonals, and if you observe AC very carefully, it is divided or it is cutted by BD. So AC has two parts, AO and OC, and these two parts will be congruent to each other since the property says diagonal bisect each other. So here AO is congruent to OC and DO is congruent to OB. I hope everyone is clear with this four very important properties of parallelogram. I hope everyone is clear with definition of parallelogram, that whenever we have a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel, it is said to be parallelogram. Before going, make sure you share this video with all your friends and hit that like button and subscribe button. Chalo, we'll meet in next video. Tab tak take care. Goodbye. Bye bye.